Buenos días, señores. Es temprano. Es temprano. Es sábado. I'm exhausted, okay? But we have an event today, and I figured that I would take you guys along with me because events are usually really, really fun. So, and today's event should be really fun. We're having a skincare masterclass with Glow Recipe, one of my favorite skincare brands. Period. Love them down. So yeah, let's get ready. I'm not really doing any makeup because, like I said, they want us to come bare face so we can do the skincare. I'm just going to do a little. I'm gonna do a little something. Obviamente no vamos a llegar con la cara vacía, pero voy a hacer un poquitito, muy poco, la verdad. Así que vamos a terminar por aquí y después seguimos. Señores, yo empiezo a hacer el vlog and my camera dies. Like, how annoying. So we're on my phone right now for the time being until my camera charges, okay? I don't know if this is like a good angle. I went to bed at 4 a.m. Having braids is definitely not for the weak or for like people that think that it's gonna be like low maintenance. Esta mierda no es ningún low maintenance, okay? It's a lot of work. I look absolutely insane, so I had to like, you know, individually like, you know, they were all knotted, and I still have to apply some product now to, you know, make it a little bit shinier and like nicer looking, but it took me forever last night, so definitely not for the weak. So I'm trying to do like a half up half down situation over here, but my hair, it's a little bit like frizzy still. Like, this braids need to come out. I'm gonna use the Cantu Wave Whip. I love this product. Let's give these girls some life. I've had the braids up now for about a month, and I think like a month, like 5 weeks. I think I've had them on for. It's Saturday, yeah. I had 5 weeks yesterday, Friday, and I literally love my braids. I got them done in Dominican Republic, and I'm definitely getting them again. Not probably not the same way, but I'm getting braids again when I go back in December, which I'm so excited about. You guys tell me, how does it look in the back? Because I cannot see. Does it look good? But it is 9:22 right now, and I do gotta go by 10. So I'm going to Miami, you guys. So it takes me an hour so that I can make it on time. So let me hurry up and go put on some clothes and get ready. Okay, so I do have to be barefaced because it's a skincare masterclass, but I'm not gonna be like 100% barefaced. You know, I'm gonna do a little something. I'm gonna do my brows real quick because that we must do. I just work around the brows for sure. I'm also rewatching the whole Marvel movies in like order. I did this once before and it was fun, so it's kind of my comfort. Okay, and this is pretty much it. I did a little mascara, I put a little bit of concealer under my eyes, little lip liner, little lip balm, and we're ready. I mean, this is as barefaced as you're gonna get from me. It is literally 9:49. I need to put my clothes on. We gotta go. Okay, and this is the outfit. I gotta run because we're late. I'm wearing little sandals. Okay, bye. Llegando al evento, they have this little sign, so we know it's up this way. Oh no. Okay, we just got here and we have to sign up. So, hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Kilani. K-I. Kilani K.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you. This is so pretty. Honestly, love them all. All of them, all of them, all of them are so good. But right now, I've been obsessed with this purple bottle because it's for acne. It's like a serum for acne, and I tried it for a while, and I freaking love it. Look at this.
Thank you so much. But the bottom part. Yeah, you're done. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so cool. Got me a little drinkity drink. It is way too early for this, but little rose never hurt nobody. These table settings are just unbelievable. I love Glow Recipe so much because they always go all out. So pretty. We have a little bit of food over here from Pura Vida, which if you know it's so freaking good. Super rico. Yo que no, en verdad no he comido nada. Una frutica, un pancito con aguacate, cae bien. Wrap me a little bit of food because replenishment, okay? I haven't had any breakfast. This all looks really good. And we are about to start, actually. I am excited. Here is the entire line of products that we're probably going to be using today.
But just wanted to throw that out there. And without further ado, I'll get Sarah Lee and Christine Chang on stage. Give them a round of applause.
I love Stevie.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Oh my God, what a beautiful crowd of glowing skin. I'm like so impressed by how beautiful everyone looks.
And thank you for coming barefaced. That actually also means a lot. I know it's not always skincare besties. Also, this pink color comes from the natural ingredient. It's not artificial paint. But Christine, let's talk about our childhood memories.
Yeah. So we grew up in Korea. Skincare was, first of all, a huge part of our day. We both had the experience growing up with our grandmothers rubbing chilled watermelon rind on our skin. And especially for us, fruit is not a flavor. It's really a dry and incredible energy.
And you want to do it with your skincare besties, make sure.
Anything that touches your skin, like there should be no residue. Toner is
My favorite toner.
But I also don't know if we all need it either, because we believe in consistency and advice. So the reason why we created a product that has PHA and Felix and that's soft, smooth. What we mean by that is feed your skin with really reflect that.
We just focus on blackberry and our hair products and dew drops, but we do have serums for multiple concerns like avocado, we do ceramides for redness,
There's their stuff. And for us, you're working on
Oh, the one I have, this one doesn't have retinol, right?
It's kind of an analogy that applies to your skincare.
Ooh, what's the concentration of this one? Just to keep a gentle approach in addition to
Everything. Super gel-like texture. This is perfect. Every morning I use this. My husband is above it as well. It's a very gentle.
They have a whole photo shoot here so that we can show off our beautiful skin. This is the beautiful view of our venue today. It's absolutely stunning. Por favor, este view de Miami, absolutamente hermoso, bello, bello. And the event is right there inside, and this is like the outside part. So pretty. But this is the end of the event, you guys. I'm gonna go grab me a goodie bag on the way out, call the Uber, and go home. I hope that you guys enjoyed este little vlog de un evento conmigo. Si les gustó, if you guys liked it, make sure to let me know. So I'll keep on doing them because you're gonna be going to events, okay? And I love to share with you guys everything that I get to do because of you guys. So